what's happening, Virgonation? I'm on my way downtown to go and do my fingerprints to see if I come up in the criminal database. Yeah, don't worry, I won't. Romain is the one that usually accompanies me down there. And last week, I couldn't go because I had so much preparing for the lockdown and everything on my day off, so couldn't get to go. It's rough. But let's see how it goes. Hoping it will be issue free so that I can get to come back to go to the supermarket. Buy a whole tray of egg last week and a couple of them, like more than 6 of them, rotten. I wonder what kind of sign this. And it's not like me go keep rotten egg for bring back to the supermarket, so like me have to call it a loss. I think I might stop back by the house and pick up Shan so she can accompany me to the supermarket. But let's see how everything works out.
So here I am standing in our next line, but I'm just waiting to do my test. So how was the test a while ago, brother?
Well, to be honest with you, it was more pleasant.
Well, yeah, one knows well.
Yeah, just one, not two.
Yeah.
So my brain feel like, it's free. Like, nobody never tried to touch it today.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it definitely was easier. 15 minutes wait.
Moment of truth.
I'm nervous right now.
Guys, as expected, I get lost. So now I circle around because that building that I was taken to just now, and I saw. So I try again.
Man safe, man can't be all in chest.
Get no pass results.
All in chest get higher. Oh gosh.
So we're coming home.
Well, I'm going to tell you somebody that first, you know?
Why?
I told me kind of have a little hoarseness here. And I said, geez and peace, I want to fight now. But we're good to go, man. Out here in the streets. Yeah. Trying to find Starbucks. You see it? I see the sign. So every time I come to Starbucks, I always get chai tea latte. Brother, you know, I'm pumpkin pie business.
Anyway, pumpkin spice latte. It's a seasonal thing, so when it's in season, you just have to go in for it, you know?
What do you want, Virgonation? You can get everybody something right now. Take a look at the menu. Yeah, bro. So how you doing now? Feeling better?
Feeling great, man. I need to bust this gas right now.
Alright.
It's on.
Man, I turn American, you know. I like travel with him more. I like travel with him to the Caribbean islands.
I got through with my fingerprints, but coming back, the traffic was crazy. So I never really get the chance to like show you guys what was happening because I was just trying to survive getting out of downtown. And guess who's here? Hey man, so me and Shan are gonna make a quick supermarket run. Hopefully up there not too full. Hold on there. Shan, show them what you have in your hand.
About a dozen eggs.
Or more. So I bought the pack of 30 eggs, and as we told you before, them never good. So I'm going to take them back to the supermarket to see if they'll give me back my money or replace them, because I can't try prepare egg and I look for see what's good and what's not. So let's see how that goes. A while ago Shan was telling me how to test if the egg is good, because me never know this new coolie. Shan, how you test if your egg good?
Well, we normally just take it out of the fridge, put it away and shake it. So if we shake it away our sound, we know it's not good, like it having some water or something.
I've been a year not it good.
It's good, yeah.
me think safe when you're not empty. So guys, pro tip. If you want to know if the egg is good, if you shake it and it makes sound, you know, good. Sean, may I go test that, you know?
Yeah, man, you can try.
Alright.
A few moments later.
Yes, guys, you're not confused. Yeah, we switch seat. We had to stop for me to get some stuff for the babies. I may say, but why we need to switch again? But just hope me don't make her nervous. You're not nervous?
No, man.
Yeah, so we're heading to the supermarket still, but you just have to make a quick stop. You don't want to see traffic on the road.
Oh my gosh. My Uber is here. Morning.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, you're Jamaican? Damn.
Avenue.
Say hi to the
Turn left
people.
onto 89th Avenue.
Yeah, it's Virgonation.
Head south on
Virgonation.
Spectrum Boulevard to 90th Avenue.
Well,
Turn right onto Jamaica Avenue.
Yeah, so I'm sitting in a tree.
Yeah, man. I tell people, say, yo, you are my Uber a while ago, but you mash up the thing, bro. Can you give me the Jamaican accent straight? We're going New Jersey now. Try to find something down there. So right now I'm in Walmart. I did this promotional picture for them about, 4 years ago. And I thought they would have taken it down. Them breach the contract, man. Look at this. Me hearing that him looks again. Come on, man. Better than that. This is called Going Home. I'm here with the lovely Desdemona from outer Rome.
I don't know if that's so far.
Over here you have Bob
Yeah, you know?
from Chad.
Chad in.
That's on the airport, by the way. I don't know where you
Virgonation
shall
know
go.
this already, no?
Eh?
Virgonation know this, huh?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
You know Des.
The kids them auntie.
Exactly. She ran the airport. A while ago, special treatment to get coming through, you know. Yeah, man. Hey. Seen her there. Liz. She said hello.
From one crew member to another. Hey Liz, it's Trisha. How are you?
Alright.
Next baby?
Hmm?
When I make my next baby? When I watch the video?
We're gonna think about it.
Alright, take care.
Big up, yeah? Liz, Trish said hi from one crew member to another. And now we're at our favorite place. Bob, like a Bob. Too rich.
Don't look good. Back then, Carol.
Well, look like gas are killing man, he can't wait. You know, can't name it in order. So we're on our way. Almost here. I don't know. Travel industry is strange nowadays. Weird. But if you do what you have to do, you make it?
FAA regulations require your compliance with all crew members' instructions.
What's up, Virgonation? So I basically just got home. Take off one layer. I don't know if my face look good enough, so I don't know if I will take off my mask or what, but it's okay. I'm gonna take it off. So today is day 5 or day 4. Romain is coming back today, and I'm just asking God to protect him, please, because I'm worried for him being on the road. I'm sure the girls are looking forward to seeing him. I am. I want to give my hug to you, see, because guys, would you believe that it seems as if things, like literally everything happens in pairs in our family. So you know, in the last video we shared with you guys that I lost my uncle. Would you believe that exactly 1 week later Romain has lost one of his uncles? Unbelievable, like unreal. May his soul rest in peace. I didn't have the privilege of meeting him, but yes, so we literally have 2 deaths in our family. I'm sending condolences to Romain's side of the family on their loss. This is a very sad time for us. Just have to pray and ask God for just, please, you know, spare us. No more. We can't handle anymore. Trust me. Guys, I keep telling you, life is fickle, it's uncertain. Live. Believe me, live. Live, 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 and live well. Treat people well. So I'm going to pick up later when Romain actually gets here, but let's hope that he gets here safely and, you know, he'll be okay on the flight and stuff, and along with Nico, because it's Nico and Romain that are on the road. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm super tired, but hey, have to go start the other job. Emma and Rina are up there waiting to start on my case.
Back on the rock. It's Uncle Bob.
Oh, you know, the place, you know, it's a bit nippy, so we got to warm up, you know.
Oh. Mr. Arrow going to say the man's suitcase are deaf me. When are you going? No, sir, Bob, you need a new suitcase, brother. Yeah. Oh gosh. Movie me, I wonder what make the nice day now. Come on. What is that name? Squeak. Squeaky.
No, that's how you're supposed to use it. You're supposed to use it.
A squeaky this one.
They use it right.
Oh.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Seems like I could make it home safely, but I never put on my mask, man. I don't know if it's safe, come back.
It's safe, man. Me and I don't care. Me and you travel all the way.
Man saying safe and he don't know if he's safe, you know, man.
It's safe.
He just want to know saying Rita Jamaica, you know. Good. Right now, all you may protect, brother. I know it, brother. After such a long day, whole heap of people in the airport, whole heap of different seats we sit down in, whole heap, yo, Jano, we finally reached home. We're in JA. First time traveling in 531 days. How you feel, man?
Imagine that. Oh.
How you feel now?
Oh. But it feels straight. To be honest with you, it feels straight.
That's what I've been saying, bro. Like, this is not normal. But we're back home. I'll give thanks and praise to the Almighty. Travel go safe and travel come back safe to the family. This is how we'll come back to you now. Mosquito fi kill. What you? I think man, why not in glass, man?
Not moving, not.
No, sir. You have to drive with it down, boss. But over pay a while ago, so I know that you're rich now as a manager, you know, my lad.
Well, you know, you learn from it. Give to the people you can.
I pretend, you're pretending, you know, my lad. You have it, you know, bro. Don't know, Jamaica look nice and nighty.
That's me, man.
But yes, you make outside look nice. Why if you don't?
You want to look nice out here.
Will Smith! You're feeling?
Yes.
I wonder if Emma and Reina gonna remember me. I know say Lisa gonna remember me, and my mother and my sister gonna remember me. Well, Emma and Reina remember their daddy. But they'll come in and go, who is this guy?
You must remember that.
Gosh. Yeah, I miss them. And then while we are traveling, because the internet's so weak, they can't do no video calls. But Got two little somethings for them. Hope they will like it.
Jamaica love, the one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica.
Man's home. Finally. Yeah, I'm about to open the door. What up, what up, what up, what up?
Welcome home, my brother.
Hey, hey, hey! Who is this? Hey! Hey! Emma! Emblem! Emma! Hey, baby! Oh, gosh. She remember me now? Rainy! Raina! Emblem! What's up? What's up, baby? Eh? Hey! Oh my God! You just have to me. What up, 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 what up?
I'm gonna talk to some what ups. You think they're your friend?
Hey! You're going like you hug me, but you know, I prefer that. I mean, like push, you know.
I mean, if you have corona. Oh. Yeah, I'm reaching home just now with camera on my face.
How that?
He's saying that, Ajer. He's saying that take off your mask around me. Go on my bed, babe, and never bed after you.
Nothing put on my bag in your eyes. I'm not take off nothing yet. Please, I said to go bed. Jesus.
Oh, yeah, Ajer. This thing called back and once my new clothes them.
The mental pressures.
Hey, can you close me?
You don't want to take off my mask.
No, don't take off your mask around me, it's not easy.
I'm gonna guarantee.
Romain say I'm gonna guarantee. Guaranteeing. I'm gonna do a COVID test in a few days, you know. Even though I do one there, if you come down, yeah, PCR. But until then, I'm not take off your mask around me. I want to see how that gonna work with Emma, because Emma stick on for Romain.
I'm sleeping on my mask.
Romain say I'm sleeping on mask. How this?
How are you doing, friend?
Eh?
I don't know my status.
So you say I go put on mask. You supposed to want to know?
I'll be back. I see you now, I reach home, my bed, put on a mask. I go see what's going on there, so. See if people have a mask out there too. Look how I come over to.
That's it, look what we come to.
This is correct.
No, sir.
You know, I'm not gonna find a hotel go. I don't feel welcome.
It's not disrespect. You're welcome.
You're welcome, here, man.
I'm welcome.
Yes.
I don't feel sick. You say come
So why you run to vitamin C as no reach home?
Can I go give you one too, you know? Babe, so what I'm gonna every day with you vitamin.
No, so I'm not gonna left.
I may have some vitamins in some beer drink.
Mommy, have to test here, sir.
Alright. So I'm not afraid of me there.
No. No, you should have been over me.
On the board.
I can't take out my mask. This is what I'm gonna run off.
I run off, man.
So what?
So Virgonation, I know you'd have seen where Liz mentioned earlier on in the video that an uncle of mine passed away. Uncle G. Yeah man, may his soul rest in peace. Uncle G is my father's brother, and it's been years, I mean, probably before Rising Stars, since the last time I've seen him, Yeah, it's been so long. Wow. He's such a good person, somebody who, if you see my mother, he always ask how we're doing, myself and my brother Marlon, so you'll be missed, and I just want to take the time to send my blessings to my cousins, Frenchie and Jenkel and Kian and the entire family, just stay strong, keep your faith up, live your life to the fullest, enjoy every single moment, tell everybody that are around you, that you love them, show them your love, because you never know, you're just here today and tomorrow guarantee you. It is not guaranteed.
I'd also like to take the opportunity to send my condolences to the Gilchrist family. Two of my cousins lost their grandfather, Mr. Neville, aka Dada. So sad condolences to the Gilchrist family in Montego Bay. My friend Tanisha, her son Bryce lost his dad. So I'm sending condolences to the Bernal family. Guys, it's a tough time. It's a tough time.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Virgonation.
No, or September born. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you,
September born. Happy birthday. So why you never say
happy
September
birthday.
born?
Because you know kind of key in or which melody you're singing, you know what I mean?
So let's jump right into it.
Like earlier, I got to her the melody message, no say so like a different thing she sing. Me now I go there, you know what I mean? But let's get into it.
Happy birthday to Antoine Wallace from Terry and Wallace. His birthday was on September 6th. Happy birthday to Monique Blair and Fiona Linton. Their birthday was on September 7th.
Wow.
Happy birthday to everyone born on September 8th. Miss Noreen, that's your day. Have a good one.
Bless up, Miss Noreen.
Yes. Happy birthday to my cousin Moya K. Her birthday will be on September 9th. Donna Henry would love to wish her daughter Gabrielle a happy birthday also on the 9th of September. Nadine Hall and Ronika will celebrate their birthday on the 10th. Happy birthday when it comes.
Happy birthday, everybody. More life, blessings, prosperity. Code God, you know, every time. So we're getting a lot of comments, you know, people sending in their birthday wishes. But you have to remember, you need to send the name of the person that you're sending the birthday greetings to, and also the birthday, which is the date. You have to send that. And you also have to let us know who it's coming from. You know, those are our requirements. And, you know, everything will be good to go. So if you don't hear a name, if you don't hear your greeting, then you know the reason for that. All right?
For example, send a birthday greeting to my husband, or please wish my husband a happy birthday.
But we don't know who your husband is.
We don't know his name, we don't know when is his birthday. Or my birthday is in 3 days. Remember to wish me a happy birthday.
Yeah, because we want blessing up, you know, man.
Yeah.
So please, just send all the necessary information.
Yes.
And
in the comments.
In the comments,
not to our DMs, not anywhere other than in the comments.
And what force if you do to is make sure so we read through every single comment, you know, so
it helps us, yep.
Yeah, man. So we appreciate it, you know. We hope you appreciate what we're trying to do by blessing you guys up on your birthday. And we hope we don't miss nobody at all, alright? Virgonation, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed every single moment of it.
Yes.
And we're gonna see you in our next video. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, lock in right now, click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We have so much to come. Bless up on yourself.